In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Apple Pay with your Capital One card on your iPhone. The process only takes a few minutes, and once you're done, you'll be able to pay securely using your phone, Apple Watch, and other Apple devices. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your iPhone home screen and tap the Wallet app or simply add a card, because this is where all your Apple Pay cards are stored. Now, for you to be able to add your Capital One card, I want you to click the plus button on the top right corner and then choose debit or credit card to add your Capital One card. Now, before you choose your Capital One card, make sure your Capital One card account is ready. You want to make sure that you choose the correct account, because there's going to be a problem later if you choose the wrong Capital One card. Now get all the details here because we need to enter all the details manually in the Apple Wallet section. Once verification is complete, your Capital One card will appear inside Apple Wallet and is now ready to use with Apple Pay. Basically, Apple Pay activated. And that's it. Your Capital One card is now connected to Apple Pay. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.